Okay, next we're going to learn how to divide a circle into 4 parts. And this will make it so that we can do the butterfly. We can do the ichthus. Okay. We could do the square, the Solomon seal, and of course the lotus flower, and then an 8-pointed star. Okay, so to do that, I'm just going to move another sheet of paper here. To do that, we just need, instead of starting like we did with 6 points, we started with the compass. For 4 points, we're going to start with a straight line. Now, if we were to draw a circle anywhere on here, we'd have divided it in half. So all we have to do is figure out how to make a perpendicular line, and that would divide the paper in fourths. And if we put our stylus in the middle there and drew a circle over it, it would be divided into fourths. So we do that the same way we bisected the other angles. We just take our compass and we put it on any point on the line. First we're going to mark where it crosses the line so we can put the compass there again. And that's our angle. So we want to look at the middle of that. We want to draw an arc above and below that covers around where the middle would be, because as soon as we put this over here, the stylus on the other side, and we draw the other arcs, we get those same X's again. And with those X's then, we can just take our straight edge and connect them. And now that line is perfectly perpendicular to the horizontal line, perfectly vertical compared to that line. Then all we have to do is take our compass, put it at that point, draw a circle around, and now we have a circle divided evenly into 4 parts. Okay? So, we can take, if we draw a circle from each of those 4 points, okay, we'll get our butterfly. And you can see the wings of the butterfly right there. Okay? But if we took that even further, each one, if we went outside the circle, I need to do the other side as well. And we keep it going past this. Let them cross. Then we have just made the ichthus. So right here, we can make a fishtail. And ichthus is just Greek for fish. And there is our ichthus. Basically one of the wings of the butterfly, if you draw the tail out, becomes a fish, an ichthus. Now the other thing that's good about what these things do is that they bisect this angle. Okay? So if we were to join where the tails cross, we not only have our circle divided into 4, but each fourth is divided, and so now we have divided into 8th. Now what we can do with that is we can connect, let's see our points here. We have point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. With those 8 points then, if we, like we did with the Star of David, if we connected all the odds, we get a square. And then, if we then join the evens, we'd make another square that would be turned halfway. And that would give us our Solomon's seal. I know I should have had a different marker color to differentiate it from the ichthus, but I kind of didn't have one, so. And there you can see the Solomon seal with an ichthus there. And I think for the next one, to show you the lotus, I think we should have a new sheet of paper. So I'll get to show you again how it is we get a circle divided into 4 and then into 8. There's our circle into 4. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw in, since we're going to be doing the lotus next, I'm going to go ahead and show you that if we made our big arcs, almost had another complete circle, there's our ichthus again, we will find out where the circle can be divided into 8 from the tails of the ichthus. So now there's our butterfly. 4 ichthus, 4 fish kissing in the middle maybe. And then what we're going to do then is, instead of drawing straight lines like we did to make our Solomon seal, we're going to put our compass here on those new points, and we're going to draw another set of petals. And this will give us an 8-petaled flower, which is our lotus. So if I were to darken it in here, of course, you know, you can erase, you can do whatever you want with these. You can keep some lines, you can erase some. Get creative, make your own flower. Divide these arcs again, find out where they cross, making a 16-petaled flower. But that is our lotus flower. Okay? Now, the 8-pointed star. actually. That's going to be, I'll have to stop there.